One sneeze in space and suddenly your snot is a floating alien UFO. Hold on tight. Imagine sneezing on the International Space Station. Tiny droplets spin like mini UFOs, bouncing off walls, helmets, and even your lunch tray. Astronauts dodge floating snot like it's a sci-fi action scene while trying to finish experiments. Scientists call this microgravity, but we call it cosmic chaos in your sinuses, with zero-G tissues flying everywhere and a floating sneeze party no one asked for. If you enjoyed this, smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.